Thank you, Akona. Our agenda for the power of generative AI in JDEdwards is as follows. A quick introduction. We'll have a brief look at who is leading the AI race. We'll have a quick look at the prerequisites of our POC, which is Gen AI with JDEdwards. We'll look at a few use cases, review some key considerations, and then we'll have a brief look at some adoption strategies. We will cover a few benefits, a quick overview then of the components that we've used in the POC. Also, we will have a look at core capabilities of chatbots, LLMs and RAGs, what they are and how it's used. And lastly, we'll have a Q&A session. So good morning and thank you for joining us on this very interesting topic. My name is Warren Solomons and I'm the technical architect and director at Resolve Red. With 40 years of IT experience, of which I spent 37 years in JDEdwards and the last 27 years as a JDE consultant. We're here today to talk about the future of one of the most reliable and powerful enterprise resource planning systems in the world, JDEdwards Enterprise One. For decades, JDE has been and continued to be the trusted, robust backbone of operations of thousands of companies globally. It handles mission-critical tasks in finance, manufacturing, supply chain, and more, with rock-solid reliability and stability. JDEdwards' deep, configurable functionality has proven its worth across these diverse and complex industries. For our JDE community, the challenge is not the functional technology and integration capabilities that exist within JDEdwards, but ensuring it remains competitive and innovative in a rapidly AI-changing world. We at Resolve Red are busy with a POC using Oracle Gen AI services and JDEdwards' latest release 26, which was released a month ago. So you may ask, why now? Well, the capabilities of generative AI have advanced dramatically and are evolving as we speak, moving from a novelty to a must-have enterprise technology in less than 2 years. This technology has the potential to automate knowledge work, synthesize massive amounts of data, and fundamentally change how your employees interact with your ERP. Fortunately, JDE doesn't operate in a vacuum. It is backed by the full power of the Oracle innovative ecosystem, specifically the robust, secure, and ready-to-use OCI AI services. The objective of today's session is to explore how Oracle Gen AI can be integrated into JDE. The goal is to drive real value, not through risky migration, but through intelligent augmentation. The ERP market is undergoing a significant transformation, primarily driven by Gen AI agents. This shift is being powered by three major forces. Firstly, the drive of all software vendors to move to the cloud. Secondly, the embedding of powerful AI and its capabilities into core systems. And thirdly, a laser focus on industry-specific innovation. Oracle is currently on top of the AI leaderboard, according to CIO.com. Their advantage lies in a full tech stack that they provide, They provide the database, the infrastructure, and the software that is deeply integrated AI into processes like financial closing and planning. They also offer Oracle JDE, a trusted ERP used by thousands of major multinationals worldwide, and which provide excellent, as I said earlier, reliability and unique functionality for those who need a hybrid on-prem and cloud environment. Oracle JDE offers an enhanced integration and connection layer through the AIS, through orchestrations and APIs that seamlessly integrates with Oracle AI services. 3 critical points for business leaders to consider is redefining business operations. ERP vendors are moving beyond simple historical data recording. They are using AI and automation to turn difficult tasks into automated flows and historical data into predictive intelligence. The ERP system is no longer just a system of record. It's a system of intelligence. Secondly, the choice of platform directly impacts a company's scalability, insights, and agility. A poor choice can limit your growth, while a great choice can unlock it. Thirdly, the clear message is that the future belongs to intelligent, cloud-native ERP ecosystems. Leveraging of Oracle's integrated cloud strategy and the AI market leader in AI technology is key in adopting your AI strategy and success. Here are some of the prerequisites for the setup of Gen AI with JDEdwards. You need to register OCI tenancy, have a subscription on OCI Gen AI. Thirdly, you need a JDEdwards vector database. We've used the Oracle Autonomous AI database. You can also use Oracle 23 AI, which was renamed as 26 AI database. And you would need JDEdwards release 26, which is now compatible with vector databases and with the latest APIs and connectives, which is available and makes it easier to configure the solution. Just a note for older releases and other databases running JDEdwards, a much longer and more complex implementation approach with SQL scripting and agent channels to connect to SQL or DB2 AS400 and older Oracle databases. Here are some of the use cases. AI supports diverse applications across industries. The following are some of the use cases that we've identified. Text generation to automate content creation for marketing, HR, and customer communication. In summarization, you can generate concise summaries for lengthy documents, emails, or articles. Data extraction, extract structured data from unstructured text, such as contracts or applications. In classification, you can categorize text into predefined groups, such as support tickets or company sectors. Style transfer is reformat or rephrasing text to match specific tones or styles. Semantic similarity enhances search relevance or identify related content based on meaning. Within procurement, you can use AI to analyze vendor contract language or summarize complex supplier performance reports. Within finance, implement anomaly detection on general ledger data, or use AI to analyze and summarize monthly financial close commentaries for executive review. Here are some additional examples of use cases. I'm not going to go through the details of these use cases. This presentation pack will be made available to you. And there's additional use cases. Let's have a look at some of the key features of Oracle Generative AI Services. Some of the key features is the support various data onboarding methods and interactive channels. So that is your chat interface or your APIs. Another feature is it can generate contextually relevant answers by retrieving information from a knowledge base. It provides source attribution for all answers, for review exactly where the information presented was retrieved from. Offers hybrid search capabilities, combine lexical and semantic approaches, includes content moderation for both input and output, supports multi-turn conversations, and this allowing users to ask follow-up questions that take prior context into account. Another feature, you can interpret data from 2-axis charts and reference tables within a PDF document without requiring explicit description of the visual elements. And another feature is to extract and display hyperlinks present in PDF documents to represent and present that in the chat responses. We've established that integrating Oracle AI with JDEdwards is highly practical through the OCI Gen AI service. However, success depends not just on technology, but on a thoughtful strategy built around 4 key considerations. A readiness assessment before building anything. You must assess where AI delivers the most value. Identify high-value processes. Focus on tasks that are high volume, manual, and require complex data synthesis, like automating invoice entry or summarizing years of asset history. Remember, AI won't fix a broken process. It will just automate the inefficiency faster. Evaluate your data maturity. AI is only as good as the data you feed it. Do you have clean, accessible data in JDE that the orchestrator or the vector database can retrieve? Data quality is the foundation. For RAG to work, which grounds the Gen AI, your data must be clean. Ensure that the data is exposed efficiently and securely via your JDE AIS or vector database for the OCI Gen AI services to access it. Technology is the easy part. The people side is the bigger challenge. Your IT and functional teams must move from traditional development to mastering low-code tools and focusing on prompt engineering. That is the art of instructing the AI. This is a chance to empower functional analysts to become citizen developers. They know the business process best and can now build and own the solutions. So manage the change. New interfaces and automation changes daily. So communicate the benefits clearly to drive user adoption. The final refinement is tailoring the AI to your specific JDE instance. So go beyond the basic RAG by using the fine-tuning capabilities within OCI Gen AI. This ensures the model understands and speaks your company language. Train the models on your internal jargon and codes, like unique part numbers or naming conventions, and your required output tone and formats, which is your corporate style. All this specialized training happens securely and privately within your OCI tenancy, ensuring your knowledge remains yours alone. By actively addressing these four critical areas, you move from simply having AI capabilities to strategically developing intelligence that truly transforms your JDE operations. The path to AI adoption doesn't have to be a big bang project. We recommend a phased, risk-averse approach. The best way to start is with small contained projects. Identify a single high-pain area that is rich in data but low in immediate risk. A pilot or POC allows your team to build expertise, validate the technology, and measure return on investment before scaling. Think about projects like Gen AI summarization for asset maintenance logs, or using OCI document understanding to automate the data extraction from a single type of vendor invoice. These projects deliver quick, measurable wins and build internal confidence. Once a pilot is successful, scale the rollout by targeting specific functional areas instead of trying to automate everything at once. Focus on departments that benefit most from immediate efficiency gains. Phasing allows you to train users one department at a time and ensure a smooth change management process, basing each rollout decision on the quantifiable success of the previous phase. Make the AIS JDE orchestrator the single point of control for all your AI automations. By channeling all AI integration through the orchestrator, you ensure seamless, standardized, and secure process automation layer. The orchestrator's low-code nature means that you can develop and iterate on AI-enhanced solutions faster. This allows your team to move quickly from a validated POC to a production-ready solution. Finally, remember, you're not just buying a single AI service. You are leveraging the entire Oracle Cloud infrastructure ecosystem. This means your generative AI has native access to OCI services like document understanding, vision, etc., and the robust security and scale of the OCI environment. This cohesive stack ensures your solution is future-proofed. As Oracle develops new AI services, your JDE orchestrator connection is already built to take advantage of them immediately. By following these four simple strategies, you can begin the journey of transforming your reliable JDEdwards system into an intelligent ERP, ready for the next decade of business complexity. Here are some of the benefits of using Oracle Generative AI services. Transparency enables tracking of responses back to their source for clarity and accountability. Another benefit, continuous update. Data sources can be updated without interrupting the functionality of the agent. Scalability and security operates on a scalable and secure architecture designed for growing demand while maintaining data integrity. Incremental ingestion allows precise data updates through incremental ingestion and version control. Improved interactions facilitates natural and intuitive interactions, enhancing customer experience. Back to our POC. These are just the components that we've used to develop the POC. Just for your reference, I'm not going to go through each and every one. We'll be here all day. The ones highlighted in red, the following slides, we will expand on them. But this is just for your reference, what we used to configure the Gen AI with JDEdwards. So intelligent chatbots is a fundamental shift from a simple FAQ finder to a truly valuable, trustworthy, and effective virtual assistant that fully integrates with your enterprise systems. An intelligent assistant is built on 5 core capabilities. Multi-turn chat, this is critical for human-like conversations. The bot handles a series of related questions seamlessly, keeping the flow and context alive while requiring without you requiring to restart the topic every time. Context retention, this is the bot's memory. It can discuss different topics, like switching from asking about the vendor to checking an open invoice. And the bot remembers the original subjects, making interactions efficient and relevant. Custom instruction, this allows us to define the bot's entire personality and objective. Whether you need it to enforce internal compliance, adhere to legal standards, or adopt the voice of your help desk, it ensures the bot acts perfectly in line with your company's rules. Guardrails, this is our security core. This is arguably the most vital feature. Guardrails prevent the bot from generating inappropriate, inaccurate, or confidential information. It ensures the bot stays on topic, only accesses approved data sources, and strictly adheres to all security and ethical guidelines, protecting your data and reputation. Human in the loop, if the bot encounters a query it cannot confidently answer, it instantly transfers this conversation to a live agent, providing them with the full context of the prior chat. This guarantees every issue is resolved and ensure customer satisfaction. These 5 features shift the focus from merely answering questions to solving problems effectively and safely. LLMs and RAGs. Oracle provides a platform for leveraging advanced large language models, which is LLMs, like Cohere and Meta, XAI and Google Gemini, which is new, which was launched in August this year, and OpenAI, which is in beta, started now in November 2025. We are currently witnessing a rapid progress in AI technology. Things like better chatbots, more realistic image generation, and personalized recommendations. All of this is often driven by sophisticated technology. LLMs are a type of deep learning model trained on massive amounts of text data. Their fundamental goal is to understand, summarize, generate, and predict human language. Think of them as incredibly advanced prediction machines that can mimic human communication. They are the engine driving many modern AI applications. But powerful LLMs have limitations. They can hallucinate, meaning they generate plausible sounding but factually incorrect information because their knowledge is frozen at the time of their training. They also can't easily access real-time or proprietary specific company data. This is where RAG steps in. It is an architectural pattern designed to solve these very problems. RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, adds a step before the LLM generates a response. When a user asks a question, RAG first retrieves relevant documents or facts from a separate, trusted source called a knowledge base, like your company's documents, internal guides, or real-time database. It then gives this retrieved accurate information to the LLM. The LLM then uses this context to generate a more accurate, up-to-date, and grounded answer. So the knowledge base is key. This ensures the LLM stays relevant, factual, and can utilize the most current, specific information available, moving beyond its original training data. So in conclusion, the question is no longer if you will embrace this transformation, but when and with which partners you will build your intelligent enterprise. Should you require any additional information or want to know more on how we can assist you with your generative AI strategy and implementation, you can contact us at info@resolvered.com or myself, warren.solomons@resolvered.com. Thank you. So we'll open for any questions.